Hello guys, hot news for the mobile users. India banned 59 Chinese based applications. We are using these applications for so many years, it's very hard to change and most of us are still looking for a better alternate applications for these banned applications. So let's find out some better alternate Indian based as well as the global applications for these banned applications. Let's go to the video. This is Karthik Mani from Technotainment. Why India banned these 59 China-based applications? Actually, Indian government already warned people for these applications that they are not safe to use, but people were still using it. We come across so many rumors about this ban, but the official statement from the Indian government is, according to the Act 69A, the personal informations of the Indian people have been taken through these applications and stored in a Chinese server. As per Indian government, Indian people personal informations are very important, which may cause security threat to India itself. But most of us will think what they are going to do with my personal information. It's not like what we are thinking, guys. Actually, by knowing the personal information of the people of a particular country is like spying the country all the time. So this is why India banned these applications. Now we come to the main part of our video. Let's find out some better alternate applications for some important applications that we use very often. If you are looking for Vault application and you are looking for an Indian based applications, you can go for Lock App, Smart App Locker. This application belongs to an Indian company and this is having 4.4 rating in Play Store. Or else you can try App Lock Fingerprint. This is also an Indian based company. If you are looking for a global applications, you have IV Mobile, an UK based company, or Norton App Lock is also an American based company. If you are looking for an application for file transfer and sharing, you can go for GeoSwitch or ShareAll. If you are looking for an Indian based company, by the name itself, we know GeoSwitch is from Reliance and ShareAll belongs to a company called Likee. This is almost similar to Shareit, guys. For global apps, you can choose apps like X Transfer, Share or Backup Files is one of the best application from the market. It's a German based company. If you are a Samsung user, you no need to worry at all. You have Samsung Smart Switch. 90% of a smartphone users will be using an photo editor app. If you are looking for an Indian based company, you can go for LightX Photo Editor and Photo FX. Is developed by an Indian company, Andor Communication Private Limited. This is also having around 4.4 rating in Play Store. Or else you can choose Adobe Lightroom, Snapseed or PicArt. Another most frequently used applications is a browser. So if you are looking for a best alternate for an UC browsers, I know most of us are upset with the UC browser ban, but we have a better alternate that if you are looking for some global application, you can go for Google Chrome or Firefox. If you are looking for an Indian based companies, you can go for Geo browser. Of course, it's from Reliance. Now comes the unavoidable application. Almost all might have used this app called Cam Scanner. Yes, now we are talking about document scanning application. Do India have any application that developed for document scanning? Yes, of course, we have. You can go for Document Scanner PDF Creator, which belongs to an Indian company called Lufic. And this is having 4.7 rating in Play Store. Or else if you are looking for any global applications, you can go for Adobe Scan or MS Office Lens. One is from Microsoft and another one is from Adobe. For video editing, we have KineMaster from a South Korean company called KineMaster Corporations. Some pronounce it as KineMaster, but the proper pronunciation is KineMaster. Or else you can choose Power Director Video Editor app, belongs to an Taiwan company called Cyberlink Corporation. If you are looking for an Indian based applications, you can choose video editor free trim music, belongs to an Indian company called APUS Cloud. When I say viral, one application will come into our mind. Yes, TikTok, which is used widely all over the world and having more than 1 billion downloads. This is banned in India now. Do we have an alternate application for TikTok? Yes, of course we have. Roposo and Chingari from India. Or if you are looking for a global app, you can go for Dubsmash from a German-based company called Dubsmash Incorporation. For video calling, we have to look little back. Yes, I'm talking about Skype. Or else you can choose Microsoft Teams from Microsoft or Google Duo from Google. These applications are doing pretty well in their areas. Or else if you are looking for an Indian-based company, you can go for Say Namaste, which belongs to a company called Inscripts. So it's time to wind up the video. I hope we have discussed about the alternate apps for some recently banned applications, and I have listed these applications based on the user reviews and some with some personal experience. If you think we have a better options for these applications, please do mention in our comment sections. I can also know about those applications. One important thing, that the apps I have mentioned here, especially the Indian based applications, are newly developed. Some have issues, some are unfinished, but all they need is our support. If you find any difficulties while using these Indian based applications, please share with the developers. We are in a path to a right direction. Developers have to make sure to work on these, or else it will sink as fast as it sailed. Now we are ending this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, do share with your friends, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel Technotainment. Don't forget to give your valuable suggestions in comment section. Bye.